Why is everyone after this professional Ninja blender? With an incredible 19,506 customer reviews, there must be a reason this blender keeps getting so much attention on Amazon. Meet the Ninja Professional Plus blender with Auto IQ, a powerful kitchen upgrade designed to make blending easier and faster. It packs 1,400 peak watts of power with total crushing blades that can crush ice and frozen ingredients for smoothies, frozen drinks, and more. But the real secret is Auto IQ. With 3 intelligent preset programs, it automatically controls the pulsing, blending, and pausing for you, so you don't have to guess when your drink is ready. And the 72-ounce pitcher is perfect when you're making large batches for the whole family. You also get 2 24-ounce to-go cups, while the dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup much easier. So with 19,506 reviews and an Amazon's Choice badge, it's easy to see why this Ninja has earned a spot on our premium Amazon finds list. But would you actually consider adding this Ninja to your kitchen? But what if you don't want a huge blender taking up space in your kitchen? Meet the Nexa Ease Portable Blender, a compact Amazon find made for smoothies, protein shakes, and fresh drinks wherever you go. It has a 150-watt motor, 6 stainless steel blades, and spins at up to 18,000 revolutions per minute, giving you plenty of power for everyday blending. And here's what makes it so convenient. The blender bottle is also your drinking bottle. Blend your drink, switch the cap, grab it, and go. It comes with a 20-ounce bottle, USB-C rechargeable charging, an insulated sleeve, and a travel lid, making it perfect for the gym, office, travel, or busy mornings. You can choose from different sizes and colors, with some versions also including an insulated sleeve or recipe book. With 1,034 customer reviews and a 4.1-star rating, it's easy to see why this little blender earned a spot on our list. And now, it's time for our #1 premium Amazon pick. Meet the VOLTRX electric protein shaker bottle. And with 17,796 customer reviews and over 4,000 bought in the past month, this one is clearly getting serious attention on Amazon. So, what makes it different? Instead of shaking your bottle with a noisy metal ball, VOLTRX uses a powerful 6,000 RPM motor and patented blade design to mix your protein powder smoothly. In fact, it can dissolve protein powder in liquid in as little as 15 seconds, helping you get a smoother shake with less clumping. And yes, it can even handle squashed bananas with liquid, giving you more options beyond ordinary protein shakes. The 24-ounce BPA-free Triton bottle is also designed to be airtight and watertight, so you can confidently throw it in your gym bag without worrying about leaks. And you can choose from a variety of colors, including black, pink, orange, midnight blue, red, mint, blue, and avocado. No wonder we've placed the VOLTRX electric protein shaker bottle at #1 on our premium Amazon list. Which one of these 3 would you choose? Let me know in the comments. And if you're interested in any of these products, check the links in the description for more information. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss our next premium Amazon finds. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.